Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're talking all about the 31 Cindy Tote. All right, I'm going to try to jump right into this video and not talk a whole heck of a lot here in the beginning because as you can see from this particular shot just right off the bat, there is a ton packed in here. This is a big, everyday, super functional tote that I've really been liking. So the Cindy Tote from 31 is a tote that has been around forever and ever and ever. It seems like every new catalog or season, there's some new prints or colors released in it. And this particular spring, they released this really pretty woven material. I love it. I was drawn to it immediately and knew that I wanted to have one or two things in it. I just love how classic it looks. It looks really comfortable. I like the little imprint kind of here on the woven material, and I like how it's accented in this kind of natural vegan leather. So I love this bag. It holds so much. As you can see here in the top, I have it opened up like a bucket style type tote. You guys know I love my bucket totes. I very rarely will zip the top of any of my bags unless I absolutely have to for like travel or some reason like that. But this one here, I did want to point off right off the bat that you can obviously zip it. I have this packed to the max. I have so much in here just for like everyday use and basketball practice with my boys, and I just have a lot packed in here. So even with all of that being packed in here, I could still easily zip it if I need to. I feel like this bag has a lot of give in it. You can pack it like completely full like I have it here, or you can just pack a couple of things in it, zip it up, and you're good to go there as well. So let's talk about the ways that you can carry this bag. It is not a backpack bag. It's not even a messenger style type bag, although you could easily, I imagine, attach a messenger strap here to the side if you wanted to, because the zipper is open on the sides. The drop length on the tote straps, however, is really generous. It's nice and long. It's a comfortable strap. It's easy for me to throw over my shoulder, and I imagine that it's a good length for taller people or shorter people. So I think that you would be absolutely fine with this one. I just carry it by its tote straps, but like I said, you could maybe carry it like messenger style over here. It does not come with a messenger strap, however, that would be a sold separate option. So getting on in to the bag here, on the outside of the bag, it is just a flat surface. You don't have any pockets here on the front or on the back of the bag. It's just an open tote. However, you do have two pockets here on the side, and they're just very small. They go down to about here. They are trimmed, if you could see, barely there, in that vegan leather there at the top. This one here is the perfect size for my cell phone. It just barely fits inside of it as far as like vertically in there. So that's like a good indication how small that pocket is over there, but it's a good exterior pocket to throw your keys or tissues or whatever. You can also easily put water bottles in there. As you can see over there, I just have a regular Dasani water bottle. You can put your Swell bottles or whatever you have easily in the side there. When you do put things in this side pocket though, keep in mind it will kind of go into the inside of the bag a little bit. So if you have even more things packed inside your tote than I do, you might not be able to use these pockets quite as much because they're a little tight over here on the side. But like I said, they're great for small little things that you need to grab for easily, like your masks or whatnot. So let's get into this bag. There's so much packed inside. I'm gonna go ahead, just as I normally have, and link the blog post down below, which will have links to everything inside, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to name each thing that I pull out here like in a little card at the bottom of the screen, just so when you guys are searching for these items on the websites, you know exactly what item or item number that you're looking for. I had that recently requested and I thought that was a really good idea. So I'm gonna try to do it for this video and see if you guys like it or find it any easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with these little rings here on the side of the bag. I love to be able to attach like small things in my keys that I can grab for really easily in bags. This one over here, I actually have my little packed party portable charger. This goes with me pretty much everywhere. It's just a little external charger in case I need to charge like a tablet or my phone or whatever. So I have that attached there. Then I have one of two MZ Wallace link pouches in here. I love these. They sell out of them pretty often, but they've been releasing them in some really fun colors. So there's 3 different sizes. There's a small, medium, and large. This is the small, over here is the large, which I'll show you in just a second. But it's just a small little, really soft kind of clip pouch. And I love to hold my earbuds in here. These are made by Studio. They're just kind of your standard earbud. A little bit bigger of a case, but they fit perfectly down inside this small pouch, even with the charger kind of down here at the bottom. So those are the things I have attached over here on this loop. Now over here on this one, I have 2 things as well. I have my O Venture key ring, and I just had it attached by the little clasp that comes with all of the rings. This is a gold bamboo silicone ring. I love it. I just actually got a couple of new ones from them. There's so many different colors on the website. If you guys haven't checked these out, these are really good. I have a discount code for these, but this here I have attached with my keys and my house key, and it just fits on the ring really well, easily to grab. Then over here, I have my other MZ Wallace link pouch. And like I said before, this is in the large size. So there's one more kind of in the middle of these, but this is the perfect size, as you can see right here, for my TOUCHLAND hand sanitizer. These are my absolute favorite because they are a power mist hand sanitizer. So they're easily to like spray on the kids or spray on my hands. They don't like run like gel everywhere, and I really like the way that they smell. So that is what I put inside this large one. I find it really easy to just kind of clip on my bags that way. Moving on to the inside of the bag, and then I will show you the couple of pockets that are built into this one. I'll start kind of back here, I guess, and work my way. Couldn't even really see it, but I do have a book down in here, and I had some coloring books in here for basketball practice last night. But this here is the book that I'm currently reading. It is Growing Boldly by Emily Lay, and it is so good. I'm only on the 2nd chapter, and it's literally one that I can't put down. I've really been enjoying this, and I highly recommend it. So that's the current book that I'm getting into right now. Then right in front of that, I actually have unzipped here my large kind of regular zipper pouch from 31. I'm obsessed with these peaches. If you can't tell by my most recent packing videos, I feel like I pack them in everything because I just love it. It's just springy and fun, and I like the color palette a lot. Inside here, I just have my Erin Condren notebook. Shocker, it's also peaches. But this is just their regular, I believe it's a 7x9 notebook. I love it. You can actually change out the covers, so that's super fun. And then I also have my Simplified weekly planner in here. It's just a little bit smaller than that one. I'm back and forth between all my planners, and this one is the current one that I'm using this month. And then I also just have a little cookbook kind of down in there. And then I also have this small little pencil pouch from Erin Condren. It has an elastic on the back, so it makes it really easy to attach it to books or notebooks or whatever. And I just have a couple of my favorite pens and highlighters tucked down in there. Right in front of that zipper pouch, I just had a bunch of other pouches down in here. This one here is my little snack pouch. And inside here, I just have snacks for the kids and I. I had a couple of these chocolate coconut little freeze-dried things that are so good. And then I have granola bars. A ton fit in this little tiny pouch. I do really like the clear clip pouch because it's thermal lined. This one is as well, so I kind of go between the two. But this one is just a great size to kind of hold granola bars vertically and little like packs of crackers so they don't get all squished inside. So this is another really good kind of snack bag option. So that's what I have tucked down in that one. And then right here, I'll just kind of pull out the next one. This is a mini zipper pouch in that same kind of color palette. I really like this for spring. And inside here is all of my small things. I have all of my lip products. I have a travel hairbrush, medicine, hair ties for my daughter and I, all of that kind of things. Nail files, little like more hair products. So all that kind of thing. You guys can see I have a ton down in here, and it just fits really well. It's a nice soft pouch. It's easy to zip and just kind of throw and go. So that's what I have inside of this one. This is a great bag to pack with pouches if you couldn't already tell. It's just easy to kind of grab out whatever you need. But then right up here, the second to last pouch I have in here is my little Keep Going first aid kit. I've been sharing this a lot lately. This is a great little on-the-go med kit. It literally has everything in a nice little book format. So it's great to just have this, especially when I'm at sports and things with the kids. It's just a cute little easy grab bag if I need a Band-Aid or something like that. So I have that in there. And then the last thing on the inside here of the tote is my creative double pouch, I believe. Again, I'll put the name down here, but this is our little on-the-go activity pouch, and I love this. There's yummy scented crayons in here, and then I also have a ton inside here. It opens up nice and wide too when the kids are playing. I have cars in here. I have some of these scented gel pens, coloring books, plain white paper, these little tiny notebooks that the kids love. Just a ton fit down in here, and I'm able to kind of switch out things from now and again so that it's not always the same stuff for them. So this is a great little like activity pouch for the kiddos. Then the last thing that I have in here are actually inside. Try to see if I can zoom in a little bit here for you. The 3 pockets that are inside this bag. So you have 3 that are all pretty much the same size. They're about the width there of my wallet, which I'll pull out here in a second. And then you have 1 zipper pocket right here in the back, which I actually have unzipped just because it's easy to grab. But inside that zipper pocket there, I actually have all of our face masks. It's a great pocket to throw and go all of these, especially if I need to carry a lot of them. If we're out at sports and things, I always like to have extra masks if we're going to be out all day, just because they get like gross, or if a child drops one on the ground and I need to replace it. So I have our Rothy's masks, which my oldest loves, these Kitsch masks, which my daughter and I are obsessed with, and then I just have this little kind of drugstore cotton one that my youngest likes. So yeah, I have all of our face masks just down inside that pocket there. Then over here in this pocket, tucked over on the side, I just have a package of tissues and a package of wet ones. I don't ever leave anywhere without those. And then in this middle pocket, I have my wallet. This is the perfect size. It fits in there literally perfect. It is my MZ Wallace small Crosby wallet. I love this wallet. It's been kind of my go-to here lately, so I have that tucked down in there. And then last but not least, over here on the corner, I actually have a few things I wanted to show you. This here is my little photo fob. I have it attached to the zipper on the inside. I love this little fob. I have it on all my bags, my wallets, my whatever. It's just a custom little picture of my family and I, and I love it as a little bag charm. So I have that on there. I have my travel scissors from Erin Condren. And then I also have my Big Fat Yummy hand cream. So I always have these with me as well. So there you have it. There is everything I have packed down inside here. You can fit a lot in this tote, and it's a really, really good one, especially for everyday, for travel, for all the things. Here is a shot of what it looks like zipped up, since I've had it opened the entire time here. I hope you found this review helpful. I know this is a very popular one from 31, and a few of you have requested it kind of over the past couple months or so, so I'm excited to share it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I will talk to you on my next video. Have a great day.